Earth, a peaceful planet surrounded with water and land, a majestic planet that was once abundant with lakes, rivers, mountains, rainforests, and living creatures known as animals. The environment, ocean, and the atmosphere were free from pollution and contamination. The skies were clear and blue, lakes were clean and clear and uncontaminated. Man has over the ages been progressively moving towards a world and life of destruction. What most people fail to realize is that this destruction is not only the destruction of the world around us, but also a systematic destruction of the universe inside ourselves. Man has been destroying trees, forests, the birds and the bees, and on a completely different level, he has been destroying himself in terms of his mind, body, and soul. The air pollution is caused by emissions from factories, buildings, chimneys, and cars. The needless car honking, the use of loudspeakers add to noise pollution. Rocket engines release trace gases into the upper atmosphere that contribute to ozone depletion as well as particles of soot. This leads to global warming. Dumping sewage in the ocean has always been considered the cheapest and the easiest way of disposing of waste. Due to dumping of waste in the ocean, the oxygen in the water could be depleted. This results in poor health for marine life due to lack of oxygen. Animals such as seals, dolphins, penguins, sharks and whales could all die. Bottles and other plastics can suffocate or choke sea creatures. So we should treat our earth surrounding as our mother. How can we survive if the climate becomes polluted? So in order to survive and for the well-being of everyone on our planet, we should take the necessary steps to restore our earth.